Hello my friends, just look at the bees, first day getting out of the hive here in almost a month. Today is November 1st, 2020, and October here in north central Alberta was pretty cold. We were at zero or below zero nearly every day. The last week or so it's been warming up a bit, and today it's well above zero. Not sure exactly, but yeah, the bees are all coming out, I guess, doing a cleansing flight and such, but it's a good sign. All month I didn't see too many of them, just dead ones on the bottom, which wasn't bad. There was never too many at once, considering how many there are in here. To see a few dead ones on the bottom is a good thing. Oh, they've noticed me and the camera. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you a look-see at what the bees are doing. When I had the lid off and I was insulating the top of the hive for winter, I didn't see any because they're down in the bottom brood box. The top box is mostly honey. I think there's one and a half empty frames in there. But seeing all these bees and how active they are, I don't know if I should make a sugar brick. Maybe make a sugar brick and throw it in there before it gets too cold to open it up again. I'm not too sure about it. So maybe some of you guys might want to tell me about a sugar brick. I wish I had some liquid feeder out here right now, so they'd have something to gather while they're all flying around. But I thought it was a good sign, and there sure are a lot of bees. And after seeing dead ones for the last few weeks, it's nice to see live ones flying around, and nice to see my hives is good and healthy, and also can handle some cold weather, because it did get well below zero. It was like minus 10, minus 11 degrees Celsius, maybe even a little colder some nights. So I didn't put the insulation on the outside of it yet. I got some styrofoam insulation and just got this expensive water tank heater insulation. I say expensive because someone took it and molded it and then sold it to me as a bee wrap. I could have just bought the stuff at the hardware store, apparently. Some of you guys have told me, which is great. Actually, having people commenting and telling me stuff is the best part of putting up these videos. I sure do appreciate it. Some of you guys have got great advice on winterizing, and my friend there in Viking, it was great to hear from you too. So yeah, just a look at my bees. November 1st, 2020. One of the last days where they can fly around, I guess. They're not really going anywhere or doing anything. They're mostly crawling all over the hive and going out to have a bathroom break, I guess. But yeah, just thought you might enjoy a look at the bees. But till next time, peace.